Alrighty, everybody, Michael Alder here, and this is really cheap land. Now, I put this together for Cyber Monday. Usually you can catch our deals over at rawlandinvestments.com, but I wanted to do something different, something crazy, something to knock out the competition, and yet to help you expand your portfolio at a ridiculously low financing terms. So right now we have 4 deals available. 2 are in Boone County, Arkansas. We have a 1/10 of an acre, 1/9 of an acre. $25 down, $12.50 a month. You wouldn't even notice this coming out of your accounts every month, and yet you'd be building a portfolio of raw land. We have the land flipping formula. If you want to know how to buy and sell land like we do, you can pick that up. It's only $25 here. And then we have Cochise County, Arizona. We have basically a 1/4 acre and another 1/4 acre, just shy of that on each one, but $25 down, $12.50 a month on each one of these as well. There's no credit checks or anything. All you do is hit the buy it now button. If you were interested in one of these, you go to the checkout page, you put in your information, and once you submit your first payment, within 24 hours, we send a contract over to you to be signed and sent back to us. Every 30 days, your payments are due. Once we're paid in full, you are deeded the property, and you are welcome to use the property as soon as we enter into contract. So right now we have 4 deals available for Cyber Monday. We're probably going to keep this running all week and swapping out the deals. So if you're interested in picking up any properties on terms like this, either click the link below this video if you're viewing on YouTube, or if you're checking it right on your email list, just click the link below this and we will set you up with some properties. Keep an eye on this channel all week long, as the deals may change as the days move on. So this is reallycheapland.com. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you on the next video.